Okay, guys. I didn't say hey guys this time.
We've hit a crossroad.
Last box of Topps C55, potentially ever. Ever. Because we're about to cancel it.
Yeah.
Let's see what we get.
We
This is
have
video
opened,
number 28, by the way.
We have opened so much C55.
This box has seen things.
Yeah. We've opened so much C55 over the years.
We're sick of it.
We have never pulled a bazooka. Again, they're super rare, but
still.
come on.
Come on. We almost, like, what, 2 Crosby rookies back to back, basically.
Yeah. So we can,
and we can't get a fucking bazooka.
wow, you're heated.
Sorry, guys.
Stanley Cup of Jerome McGinley.
Owen Nolan, C55.
If we get a Marty Turco jersey again, I'm gonna flip my shit. Alright, okay. That's a better jersey. Brooklyn back of Zetterberg.
Nicholas Hagman, C55.
I got a Pavel Bure 2-color jersey card.
Oh, well.
They're very chintzy with the jersey like colors though.
Stanley Cup, Ron Francis.
They just barely any white on it.
Oh, I got a hit as well.
There's our hits. Mario New Jersey.
I'm afraid to look. Hasek, Red America back.
I got a Bergeron rookie there.
I seem to like the goalies, guys.
Summer Turtle, is it?
Theodore. Jersey card.
Nice. Stanley Cup back of Medano.
Did you hear my Red America one?
I did. It's about time we get one.
There's another one.
Is it?
No. My imagination, guys, sorry. Topps C55, Rob Blake.
Jan Bulis, America back.
Oh, I think I got another jersey.
You just said in the last pack.
No, but I think this time it's legit.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, Canada, Joe DePenta.
Oh, Canada. It's just off. So I was wrong. It is not a jersey.
I'm gonna guess that it, Zetterberg? No.
Patrick Elias.
There we go.
Signature card.
So you got 3 hits. C55 back Comrie. You got a Fleury rookie. One of many.
Alex. Yeah, man. I was gonna say, I think they did it again.
No mini. The Cheestoff Stanley Cup back.
C55.
I rifle through these. I've learned how to open C55 when you're upset. Okay.
Okanda, Jovanovski.
Turco Brooklyn.
Oh, another hit, I think.
What?
Ooh.
They feel bad for us or what?
America Rolston, and this is a pretty cool jersey card. I don't know what part this is from, but this is a Marcus Naslin jersey.
Nice.
If you look at it, it's like translucent almost. Pretty cool.
That's cool. Got 4 jerseys or 4 hits.
Yeah. Everyone.
Which is really weird. Because we usually get 2 hits. Oh, we had a 3 in the other one.
Yeah. C55 Luongo. They're like, please don't leave us.
We got Elias so far. Theodore. Pavel Bure. And Marcus Naslund.
Hat-trick, Nieuwendyk.
Okay, you got a hat trick as well. Can I
All right.
open this one?
Yeah, it's your turn. Alright.
I'm nervous. I just like rip right through. Jesus, what? Gotta use brute strength sometimes. Slash that up real nice. Let's do one of these. Alright, everyone. Can't really see, but I got it. Huh?
Move closer in.
Here, let's do one of these.
Yeah.
Conley, C55, Nash, Berder, Bowmeister, Javi Bulin. Okay, Stanley Cup, Lemieux, Vasicek, Hall, Nagy, Gabrick, O Canada, Bonk, Berder, O Canada Red, Giguère, Sakic, Brooklyn, Nagy, Tarnstrom, America, Morrison, America Red, Lalene, and 2 hat tricks, Hoodler and Bertuzzi. You know what? They gave it a good shot on their last box. A couple of reds. We got what, 2 reds and 4 reds.
I got one in while we're doing
3 or 4 there, and then 2 hat tricks and 1 hat trick inside. But
I think it's canceled.
goodbye, Topps C55.
It was a good box. I'll give the box.
This was the best C55 box we probably have ever had.
Yeah. But it's officially canceled.
Sorry, C55.
It'll be a thumbs up for the box.
Thumbs up for the box for sure.
Thumbs down for C55.
Sorry, C55.
Alright.
I know we expect a lot, but.
Alright. Video number 29 coming up.
Alright.
Alright. See you guys.